Welcome to your new asset protection system. First thing you'll do is sign in with a password. Then you'll go directly to adding a vehicle. Once you add a vehicle, you'll be prompted to take a photo of your license plate and manually enter it into the system. This should pull up all of the pertinent information about the vehicle, including the VIN number. Please also take a VIN number in the next screen, which should be in the driver's door jamb. Take a picture of the odometer for the mileage, and then you will begin the four corners shot. You'll do a picture of the front left corner of the vehicle, the front right of the vehicle, the rear right of the vehicle, and the left rear of the vehicle. This gives an overall view of the vehicle's exterior condition. Then enter your insurance company's information, including your policy number that is currently active on your vehicle. It's also very important to please put in the expiration date of the policy so that you can show that you have current coverage on your vehicle. This is where you will find exterior damage switches that you can flip a switch that will bring up a photo option. This vehicle has roof damage. Just point to the damage and take a photo pointing at the damage so that it can be specified. You will then move to a new switch window that is going to ask you about weather loss, hail damage, wind damage. Then you will switch to an aftermarket product modification screen. Please just flip the switches that apply. Then you will add your vehicle and have a full vehicle condition report. Thank you for using your new asset protection system.